Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video or footage using Premiere Pro. So in Premiere Pro timeline I already added footage here. This wrapping going. Okay, I am going to copy this footage and paste it again. Okay, because one footage is regular and another footage will be reverse. Okay, so I'm going to click the footage, mouse right click, speed and duration, open this up, reverse. Okay, so play this footage is regular footage and this footage is reverse footage. Okay, play and see what is happening here. See again, this footage is regular footage and this reverse footage. Okay, hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.